Closing your mouth while sneezing is very dangerous to your health. Sneezing is a natural call in which the body obeys when it wants to expel dust particles, irritants, or germs at a very high speed. Now, when the pressure is high and it wants to let it out, because you are in a public or you are in a place where people are gathered, you don't want them to hear it, you now decide to stifle your sneeze. It can cause the blood vessels in your eyes and nose to rupture. It can cause leakage in your chest and neck region, which is very bad. So next time, when you want to sneeze, do not stifle it. Rather, you excuse yourself, go to a quiet place, sneeze out. If you have a tissue, you sneeze into the tissue or handkerchief or into your elbow. But please do not try to hold your sneeze because it can damage your blood vessels.